Here's how to unblock someone on iPhone messages. Now, first, just open up the Messages app. You have two different options. One is if you see them in the Messages app with that little red circle with the line through it, you can unblock them directly in the Messages app, but I'll also show you a second option if you don't see them in there. Now, the first thing we're going to do is just tap on the name, and you can see I blocked my Android device. So you can see it says Trevor and blocked. All I need to do is scroll down and hit unblock contact. However, let's say you don't see them in there. Maybe you have deleted that conversation and you needed to unblock them. You can do that by getting into the Settings app. We'll scroll down to the bottom and we'll navigate to the Messages settings. Within the Messages settings, you'll be able to see your entire block list. Again, you need to scroll down to the bottom and tap on Blocked Contacts. Now there you can see is Trevor Android. All I need to do is tap on it. You can see, all right, here is blocked. I can choose to unblock them at the very bottom. Or if you wanted to unblock a bunch of different people, you can tap on Edit here and just go through the list of unblocking all of those accounts that you wanted to chat with again.